Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. As you know, it's Epic Tours where it's all about fun, food, travel, and being able to work remote. But today I'm changing it up a little bit. So I'm doing this for the first time, which is camping slash glamping, considering that we have electricity here. But looking forward to it, and I'm currently doing it with First View Excursions, and there's actually quite a few of us here. I don't know if you can see persons on the outside. Quite a few of us. So I hope you guys enjoy the footage. And also remember to just take a minute or a moment to subscribe to my channel because I know you guys love these videos. You've been watching them, you've been visiting these locations, right? Currently we are camping at Calby's Hidden Beauty. Look here. You see that word hidden beauty? Is right because at one point I was wondering if Google Maps was wrong when I was trying to find my way here. But let's see. I'm excited. Are you excited? Alright guys, so I hope you enjoy. And remember to check them out. First View Excursions on Instagram. EpicTourzZ on Instagram. Alright? Take care guys. Enjoy. Let's walk around a little bit. Clear up the water. Let's go see what's going on. just out here chilling like a villain. Exactly. Well prepared with the chairs, the masks. He's just out here. I'm a bougie.
You say the way that thing move, it's the movie. I tell them, boy, you gotta keep it low. You need a room kick. Bitch, I'm Tucci. I'm mood and I'm moody. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Yo, I...
It's all about the experience.
It's all about the experience.
That was a video.